Today I'm going to the old job. Remember last year we did single pipe heating system conversion into dual pipe heating system, and we've left old radiators in place. So a customer finally accepted quotation to replace all the radiators and 2 tower rails. I've lost my list with the radiator sizes. I need to go and remeasure them. I hope you enjoy this new video. Okay, radiators all been measured and list made. We're now off to Williams to order radiators, and hopefully we'll start the job the 2nd of July. Well, I'll keep you updated. Ta-da! this tower rail on the wall, not connected yet. Another tower rail on the wall. Both of these tower rail are combi ones. I've reused the old heating elements. The new elements was outside the quotation. Another radiator on the wall. 4, 5 radiators today. Not yet connected. Feel a bit exhausted. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Peace. Just a quick recap. I managed to do 3 radiators. I managed to put 3 radiators on the wall and 2 tower rails without connection. Every single wall material is different. Some walls are purely panels, like half-inch panels. I don't think they'll be able to withstand radiator weight, so I've decided to get some plywood for tomorrow and put a layer of plywood underneath, so it's going to be solid, so the radiator's not going to fall off the wall. Well, another day tomorrow. Peace out. Good morning. Day 3 today. What do you use as plasterboard fixings? My favorites are toggle bolts. There is a guy on YouTube called, I think, the DIY guy. He was reviewing plasterboard fixings, the best plasterboard fixings, and according to him, the toggle bolts were the absolute winners, capable of withstanding over 40 kilograms of weight just for one screw. Can you believe that? So my absolute favorites are toggle bolts. Masterpiece. This wall's so flimsy. Look at that. I wouldn't hang bracket on here, on this plank. So I have to take drastic measures to make sure radiator's gonna stay on the wall. What would you do? CLS? No. CLS 1 hole. Look at that. It's just moving. So you gotta install the plywood properly and then attach brackets to the plywood. It's not gonna go anywhere. bleed nipple. I always install bleed nipple on the opposite side of the TRV when you bleed radiator, so water doesn't go inside the TRV. These screws would be too long if to drive it straight, so I'm gonna go slightly at an angle. So that's gonna go through the plywood and through this material, wherever it is. Let's see on the other side. Day 3, just a quick recap. That was a bloody good day today. I've managed to connect all 5 radiators upstairs and 2 tower rails. Just link them over to existing pipework. And then I installed another 5 radiators downstairs and also connected 2 of them. That's very productive day, I would say. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow. Day 4 today. Day 4 of actual work. I've actually spent 5 days already, including this one, because I was measuring radiators on the first day, making a list. Still involved traveling to Portchester from Southampton. So yeah, day 4 of actual work. My plan is to finish the last 4 radiators. I got 4 more radiators to install and connect. One radiator involves drilling through the wall and connecting to existing pipework, because there was no radiator in the conservatory. So yeah, install 4 radiators, fill the system, test for leaks, commission. That's my plan today. Enjoy last part of the video.
Sure have got me way down, and this emptiness I'm feeling inside sure has got me way down. If I could release my soul, let my conscience run free, I feel so secure now, how I wish it could be. Really got me, girl, right where it hurts the most. Well, I guess you were right after all. So here's a toast. Why did I make a mistake? Guess I was too blind to see. If I had one more chance, girl, you'd be here with me. I'll give you everything you need. Now you wanna be free. All the love and devotion you gave when I'm down on my knees.
1 tow rail, 2 tow rails. All I need is connect the cable and cut these tails. Put some caulk, set it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all the upstairs ones. 5 radiators, 2 tow rails.
Joe has got me way down. Why can't I release my soul? Live my conscience for free. I feel so secure now. How I wish it could be.
Right, another day done. It's Friday today. I managed to install and connect every single radiator from the quote, which was 14 radiators, 2 tow rails. Haven't filled up the system yet because it's Friday. You know what happens on Friday if you start filling system at 4 o'clock. No way. I'm coming tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Coming tomorrow at 11 to fill up, test and commission the system. So it's gonna be some more videos. I worked very hard this week. I think I've deserved a milkshake. Going to McDonald's. Get myself a milkshake. That's my reward for hard working. Sweet!
Can't run the race, the pace is too fast, it just won't last.
Finally, I got an apprentice. Look up. This is where Santa coming. During Christmas.
Between our fireplace is covered up with glass.
With glass?
Yeah, so how's he supposed to get out of the fireplace?
Santa is the magical creature, you know? He can squeeze through the keyhole.
Yeah, he can squeeze through here.
Yeah. Not bad for right-handed, quite steady. Day 5, Saturday, job's complete. Decided to finalize last day with the short walk around the Porchester Castle with my apprentices. For them was definitely worth coming to work with Dad. Yeah?
Yes. And tomorrow is my day.
Tomorrow is your day, okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is Sunday, day off, finally. Castle still got running water, but no heating. I think that's going to be my next project. full central heating.